Hi, happy boy. I think the lizard's gonna miss you.
Oh.
I'm gonna miss you.
I'm gonna miss you.
She's gonna miss the lizard more than me, let's be honest.
Okay.
It's the morning.
Vlog.
Yeah, it's the morning. It's a bittersweet morning.
Good morning.
Because it's nice, it's sunny, it's blue skies out. But Kate's leaving. Back to Vancouver. I didn't edit anything last night, so as soon as Kate goes back to Vancouver this morning at some point, I'm gonna come back here, I'm gonna edit, and then it's still a gorgeous blue sky day outside. I haven't been fishing in a hot minute, and I wanna go fishing. I know, it's been too long. Last weekend, what am I doing? I gotta get back on that. So I'm gonna go home, or gonna go see Kate off, come back home, do a quick edit. Then I'm gonna go out do some fishing before we have Thanksgiving dinner, numero dos.
What language are you?
I don't know, what language am I speaking? I'm too tired. Can we go back to bed?
Broadly European.
Broadly European languages. It's not even 9 o'clock. Oh my God.
I'm hungry. I need to go get breakfast, and I don't drink bubbly water for breakfast, so.
But I do. Haha. All right, let's go.
Okay. Don't vlog me with my hair like this. I look like an egg.
All right.
Oh no.
The egg squad.
I'm eating.
Okay, well, bye.
Bye.
See you later.
Yeah.
Have fun in Vancouver. Have fun in the exams. Bye. Ended up going for a quick hike. That was lovely. It's a really, really nice day outside, so I'm hoping that this edit goes relatively quickly. So I want to get outside, go fishing, enjoy the sunshine, and then I'm going to eat more turkey. Yeah. And that is a finished edit. That only took me an hour and a half. Generally a lot quicker than normal edits, but that's kind of because I needed to push it out as fast as I could so that I could get out of here and do something else for today, because I also have to come back and edit tonight. So yeah, I don't know. When I do that, the vlog quality really takes a hit. So I really try to not have to edit the same day that I should be uploading, because it means that I'm editing faster, not taking as much time to clean things up. The quality's not as good. Usually the view count just drops terribly on those ones as well. But I mean, what are you gonna do? I gotta get it out. I gotta put out the vlog, man. So yeah, that's done. Gonna let that export, hit upload, get out of here, go do something. I have an hour. What time is it? I have an hour and a half till I need to be at dinner number dos for Thanksgiving weekend. So hopefully I can get a line in the water. I really want to try catch one fish. One fish, that's all I want to catch today. Right now, let's load up the gear. Let's go do it. Hear that? Steam train. I'm just trying to vlog, man, that thing's low. Should have waited, that would have been kind of cool to get on video. It is gorgeous out. I'm excited. I'm gonna go catch some fish. If you don't like fishing, totally okay. The vlog is gonna continue after this. There's a timestamp right here. Just skip ahead to that timestamp in the video, and we're done fishing, we're doing something else. I won't take offense to that. This is by far one of my favorite fishing spots to come to in Summerland. I'm not gonna openly say where it is in case people can't figure it out, because you know, I don't want tons of people showing up here when I'm fishing here. But I've probably already shown enough in the vlog that if you're from the area, you know exactly where I am. But if not, good luck finding it. It's awesome and full of little brook trout. It just depends on if they want to eat that day or not. But just teeming with them. It's awesome. Favorite place ever. I think my shadow's too much on the water, so I'm gonna try a different spot. Look at that. There we go. Little tiny brookie. Oh, right on. Look at that. I just love this spot. It's teeming with those, teeming with them. It's actually so much better fly fishing. Because they're small, right? Like that's maybe a 6-7 inch fish. So on a fly, they're awesome. They're so much fun. But still, on a spinner, I'm having a blast no matter what. So let's put this back. Let's keep fishing. A couple little ones following, which is nice, but I think my shadow's still spooking them over here. I don't know. I caught one, so like one's all I wanted to catch today. And I think sturgeon I think sturgeon fishing may have made me a little bit of a fish catch snob now, because I want the fight of the sturgeon again. Oh my gosh! But these guys, I mean, there's no fight, obviously. So I'm just like, I hook it, and it's like, oh, fight! No, not happening. If you haven't seen the sturgeon fishing video, it's right here. You should check that out, because it was incredible. But, I don't know. I want to catch a few more of these guys, then head for dinner. That's the plan. Two bites, 2 casts. We're turning this back on. Come, papa. Oh, God, 3 bites. Okay, hang on. Come on. Oh, I see him down there. Not huge, not a big fish, but a fish nonetheless. Oh yeah. Aha. There we go. Another brookie. Another little guy. I mean, like I said, they ain't big, but man, they sure are fun. That's awesome. I think they're all done biting and it's dinner time, so I'm gonna wrap this up. Get some more turkey. Woo! Well, I got the fish that I wanted to catch, so that makes me pretty happy, actually. It's been kind of a slow spot lately, so the fact that I caught something, oh, it's just even better. Let's go get some food. Let's go see the family. I'm so hungry. I haven't eaten all day because I'm ready for dinner and more turkey, baby. Woo! Open bag. Did you break it?
First fly, I didn't even smash it yet. I don't want to do that either.
We're still trying to figure out how to make mojitos. Because Mojito Mike left us.
Hey, is it broke open?
It's definitely broken open.
Okay, somebody clean the bucket.
Yeah.
It's coming up.
Why do we have to clean the bucket?
I don't know, someone said the bucket's dirty.
Well, just flip the bag over. Here. Beautiful.
Is it open?
I think it's open.
It's open, yeah.
There's the ice is broken up. Oh, maybe not.
Not all of it, but like...
Not really good. Get some
Here, wait.
Oh my gosh. Who are you? My poor fingies.
What do we do?
Whoa.
I think that worked.
No, you still got 2 giant clumps.
You're still big clumps?
I don't know, these 2 giant clumps in the top.
Did I get it? Do we have a 12-year-old stool? Hang on.
Should we invite Ellie's for you?
Yes, I want a stool like that.
Wait, hang on. There's a step ladder over here. Hang on. I got you a step ladder.
Hold on, wait. There's a lot of stuff back here. I got
It should fit.
I can even.
There you go. Yeah, it's just a really tall bar.
Oh, thanks guys. There we go.
There we go.
I feel more professional now.
Perfect.
How many of us are there? 1, 2, 3,
What
4,
do you-
5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need one more glass, guys. One more glass. I'm so ready.
Am I getting Mojito Mike's recipe or Chelsea and Faith's recipe?
Chelsea and Faith because you won't shut up.
Oh.
You know, Mike is not here. We are the substitute.
Is it CNF
Whoa,
or F and C?
whoa. I'm just squishing this in my hands. I'm a bad bartender. That's fine.
Dude, that's not sanitary.
I don't care if it's sanitary. It's alcohol.
Did you take your food safe?
No.
Where's your business license?
I don't have one.
Are you allowed?
That's dirty though. I can't squeeze half lime because.
Are you allowed to serve liquor? How old are you?
I am. I have my serving it right.
Do you?
We are good.
Yeah.
Put 2 ounces of this and 1 ounce of that in here. Yeah. Okay, so I need to fill it with ice. Move out of my way.
These bartenders are aggressive, man.
Yeah, don't stand behind the bar.
Yeah, didn't you ever learn? Did you ever work in a restaurant?
No.
Shit. Have you ever been to the bar? You don't go behind the bar.
I've just never had enough balls to jump
Behind
the
the bar is somebody else's area. You do not step behind the bar. There's probably enough ice. Okay. I'll figure it out. Bartender face. All the way. All the way to the brim. Now flip them both at the same time. Flip. There you go. Hello. And then now you do this one. It's like I've seen this a million times. Now you have that. There you go. I've seen it a million times. Gotta learn how to do it a million times. I'm just gonna get a bar in the house though. Plus 2 in bed.
I'm impressed.
I'm impressed too, man. I just wanna like. Okay.
Charlie and soda, you mean?
Yeah.
I need to know what kind of vanilla browser I want.
Whose is that? Is that mine? Whoa!
Blood orange.
Thank you, bartenders, Faith and Shelly.
Blood orange,
No,
please.
it's common. Alright. Okay, so.
Are you doing a vlog?
You wanna
I don't know, maybe.
Only you and I saw that?
These are not as good as Mojito Mike's mojitos.
Yep.
4 out of 10. 4 out of 10.
Here.
I don't need the nasty stuff in there.
Ah. Oh, I think everybody's kind of winding it down a little bit for the night. Playing some pool. Bradley's playing Minecraft. I'm listening to some good music. We're gonna get some pie. Then I gotta go home. I gotta edit. Got a long night ahead of me. Back to work tomorrow. But it's been a good weekend. So thanks for watching. If you made it this far again, happy Thanksgiving. Really appreciate it. Click like and subscribe down below if you haven't already. And if you'd like to, you can check out the vlogs right here. There's a playlist for all the vlogs up until today. Thanks again. Really appreciate it. And hope you have a happy Thanksgiving. And we'll see you guys again tomorrow. You guys are probably wondering why I asked you all here. It's a meeting of all my fans. Yeah.